And then what also the Target is very good at doing is for treating the lips. So split your lips into 4 sections, middle, over, top and bottom, and then the left side. It's not painful at all on the lips. A lot of people, like my first time doing this, I was very hesitant to put the needles near it. I thought I was really going to feel it, but you don't feel it at all. It's nothing compared to what you feel on the face. And you could literally sit there all day doing it, but obviously don't do that because you could go overboard. What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on, so it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home. Okay, and then also what the Target can be used for is if you have any pitting or acne scarring in the skin, you can go in even after you've rolled your face with the roller. You can target treat those areas of concern and give it that little bit more of an extended treatment. Now, if you don't have the roller and you're just using the Target, you would obviously just start on the target on the areas that you want to target, and then go on and do the eyebrows and the lips. So you can still give a full treatment. It's just not as quick. It's going to take a lot longer with the Target. It's not as efficient as the roller is for doing the face, but brilliant for target treating the areas that are either hard to reach, or for me, I have like a pitting there in the centre of my nose from where chicken pox came off when I was probably only 7. And I have a proper indent in that area, so I just give some attention then with the Target in here. Okay, and then as well I can go in along the side of the nose area. Again, this is similar to the eyebrows. A lot of makeup, a lot of product can clog in here at the corner of the nose, and it's difficult to get right in there correctly with the rollers, the 2 rollers. So that's where your Target can come in and help to get into that area as well. Oh, there's the apple. Okay, more done. So that's a demonstration on all 3. So there is use for all 3. Again, it just depends on your concern, your age, what your goal is with your skin. If you did need advice on that, if you haven't already had a skin consultation with a professional, or if you haven't been in touch with us to get some advice on how to use your rollers, we are offering free online skin consultations that you can avail of. So once we know kind of your goal with your skin and what concerns you have, we can guide you that little bit more accurately on how you personally should use the rollers, or what rollers suit your skin better. So what I might do is try and get that link in with these videos for anybody who is interested in getting that information, or even if you've been using the rollers for a while, or might have only been using one of them and want to get the other 2, to see if there's a need for them first, or if they're suitable for your skin, or how you should use them. You can also avail of the online free skin consultation, so we do it through video. And then like that, we can just have a look at the products that you're using as well, and give you advice on what products that you have got are safe to be using with your roller, or any other questions that you might have. So I hope that video was helpful, guys. I will probably wrap it up there, because as I said, I didn't want to take too long. Just a few more tips actually before we go. what I do afterwards is just apply another layer of serum onto the entire face. And going to bed tonight and change your pillowcase, because you want to just make sure that anything your skin is going to be touching is clean. Be careful as well not to have a shower immediately afterwards, because you could irritate your skin with certain like shampoos or conditioners, so that's one thing that you do need to be aware of also. And then as well, just be careful that you're not going to use any active ingredients on your skin for the 2 to 3 days afterwards. I always say just to play it safe, unless you've had like a consultation with a specialist, to just use for the 3 days your normal cleanser once it's not active, and the product that you've rolled with, because you can't go wrong then. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to get back to the children now. I do think it's a perfect time with this lockdown that's happening right now for people to give their skin that little bit more attention that they've probably neglected of in their busy lives normally. It's that opportunity to kind of sit back, put time into ourselves, go makeup free, go tan free, and try and get into a little skincare routine. It doesn't have to be anything major. It could be just focusing on how much water that you're drinking, making sure that you double cleanse your skin if you've got the rollers, or if you get your hands on the rollers, giving yourself like once or twice a week that like 10 or 15 minutes to just treat your skin at a more professional level. But if anybody has any questions, no matter what your skincare routine is, or just want general skin advice, then you know what to do. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, feel beautiful, be happy, confidence is key.